Hey guys, this is Adriel. I'm here to do a demo of Windows 8, which will be the next version of Microsoft's Windows, the operating system from PCs. And this is what Microsoft is dubbing as a complete rethinking and reimagination of Windows, the concept of Windows. And it's like the biggest change you've ever seen since the XP and the Windows 95 days. So basically Windows 8 is the changes are based and inspired by their mobile operating system and their new design language called Metro. And Metro UI is all about simplicity and all about letting the content shine. So it was basically inspired by the Windows Phone and the Zoom platform. So I have the Windows Phone here. As you can see, these things called live tiles display all the information you need right on your home screen, in addition to some other additions and improvements. So it's based on that. So as you can see, we're here at basically the lock screen, and similarly to Windows Phone, you just slide up to unlock the device, and you'll be shown to your your logon screen. And there are different options to log into Windows 8. You can do a picture where you select different points on the picture to touch to unlock it. You can put in a passcode, and obviously there's the good old password. So I'll put in my password. And the thing about Windows 8 is that they use your login, your email login, your Windows Live login to log into your PC. And whatever PC you log into using your email address, it pulls your settings like wallpapers and sound settings and saved programs from your home computer to whatever computer you use that's running Windows 8. So that's pretty cool. So we're in. It's gonna welcome you. Basically pulling everything together now. As you can see, we're here at the home screen, which I said is similar to the Windows Phone home screen. If you want to take another look, just a second. So as you can see, the Metro UI, which is all about the tiles, and back. So as you can see, there are different tiles here. For different programs. There is the Windows Store, the Xbox Live Hub, maps in Explorer, video, photos, messaging, mail, weather, calendar, people, even SkyDrive is there, and there's a music hub as well. So I had a chance to play with the first version of Windows 8, which was the alpha version, which is called Developer Preview, and many of these apps here were not present. So it's pretty good to see that these apps are here now, so we can be able to take them for a spin. So many of these apps are also borrowed from the Windows Phone platform, like the messaging and the people hub and the calendar, etc. And this is all about Microsoft trying to make a common operating system for basically all their platforms. So for the Xbox, you notice that they got the upgrade that looks similar to this in terms of the interface. And then the mobile phone, the smartphone, which is the Windows Phone, which looks similar to that too. And also this will be on the tablets, or aka the iPad competitors, and laptops like this one here. So let's take a spin in the Photos hub. So I guess we have to expand this a bit. Alright, let's see what happens now. So photos. There we go. It's loading. As you can see, it's not perfect as yet. It's still beta software, so there's still bugs here and there. Oops. Let's try that again. Okay, it seems like that doesn't want to work. Maybe it's something to do with the resolution. Let's see. Let's see what happens now. Here we go. So it was a resolution problem. So the minimum resolution for the Metro UI, Metro user interface to work well, is 1376 by 768, I believe. So what's nice about this, about photos in Windows 8, is that you have the ability to link all of your basic accounts for different programs on services online like Flickr and Facebook and LinkedIn and all of those networks. So what's nice about that, and what we're seeing now in Windows 8, is the ability for that to enable you to enable Windows 8 to pull all of those photos from those areas straight to your Photos hub in Windows 8. So all of your pictures from Flickr, all of your pictures from Facebook, or wherever else you store pictures that's linked to your live email, will be synced here. So you don't have to go searching on different websites online to track them down. So your Facebook pictures and albums are all in here. Flickr and plain old SkyDrive, which is your online locker or online storage from Microsoft, which gives you 25 gigs of storage online for free. So that's the Photos Hub. And what's nice about Windows 8 is that everything's going to be integrated. It's up to the developer, people who make the apps, make use of this. It will allow you to use an app and not have to go on the web to download the file. You can simply pull the file from within your Photos Hub or photo library straight into whatever you're working on. So that's pretty good. So in Windows 8, when you're in an app, you can press the Windows key on the keyboard to go back to the start screen like this, and just press the Windows key, or you can basically move your mouse to the bottom here and tap this to get to the home screen. So right in the bottom, it comes up. And you can get to home screen. So let's try another app. Let's see the People app, aka Contacts, and on other platforms it's called Contacts. What Microsoft has done with the People Hub is they've not only put people or their contacts in there, but also their social networking updates, latest pictures, and all of information that's supposed to be relevant to your contacts. So it's not just a straightforward contacts application. So as you can see, my various contacts, and I can slide. So they're syncing. I can slide all the way to the end. Load. So So these are contacts from every single one of my social networks that I'm connected to. So I have allowed it to, you know, sync all of that together. So even people I'm following on Twitter are synced here. Even John Legend is in here. There he is. So we'll just do. Let's get back to that. So clicking the contact pulls up their information, and I have him on Twitter. So I'll see his latest tweets right here, and it will alternate through different tweets. That's pretty cool. You get some more information about him. His Twitter name, his website, address, and then you have the ability to click the address, which will be opened up in Bing. So that's pretty cool too. So go back. Let's go to a contact that I have actually have on both networks, Twitter and Facebook. So let's see. Oh, he's just on Twitter. Okay, I think I'll try that later. So let's get back to the home screen. So I can either do this or do this. So we're back at the home screen. Let's try the calendar. So as you can see, it's a pretty nice looking calendar. It basically is filled, right now it's filled with birthdays and a couple of appointments, SXSW, which is not too far from now, St. Patrick's Day, mostly birthdays. Yeah, that's February. So it's pretty simple and straightforward app right now. Pretty sure I expect to see more stuff as we get closer to Windows 8 release. So you can see an actual detailed overview of the activity of the event in your calendar here, and you can edit it right here. So cancel, get out, and back to the start screen. Oh, let me just show you this. While we're here, I can show you how Windows 8 multitasks. So you just move your mouse here, and you pull out whatever you want to multitask with. So just go right here. And you see your contacts are right across here. So you can be working on something over here and looking at your email over here, or calendar over here, or whatever you want to be docked over here. Even your music hub can be there too. I guess pictures. Let's see how that looks. So it's going to take some time to get adjusted to, because it's not really very straightforward, but it's manageable. Very good. So pictures, you can see right in the corner here. You just scroll. And that's it. So let's go back to the home screen. Let's see mail. Let's see how mail looks. So we're multitasking right now with this. And just open it back up for a full screen experience. So another thing that might be contributing to this being a kind of so buggy is the fact that I'm actually emulating or virtualizing this. I'm running it in VMware Player, so it's not really installed on the computer. It's just running like a computer within a computer. So let's get back to that mail. There we go. So mail pretty much resembles what I've seen on Windows Phone, and it's a nice, neat, and clean experience. So you have the ability to add all of your email accounts, like your Gmail, Exchange, Yahoo, whatever you want to add, and you can go through. You can create new ones, you can respond, you can trash these. So it's just a pretty simple affair. There probably should be more features added as we get closer to the release of Windows 8. Alright, so back to the home screen. So let me give you a run through of Explorer. So this is not the Explorer that you were accustomed to using in Windows with Explorer 8, 7, and beyond that. It started with Windows 9. In Explorer 9, Microsoft really made us a big comeback in terms of their browser performance. Of course, it's still not as feature-filled and feature-packed as Chrome and Firefox, but they have their own advantages by doing that. The browser is pretty fast, especially in Explorer 10. It's super fast. So let's see how this goes. As you know, Microsoft Bing, they have this custom picture on the home screen every single day that changes. Sometimes it's a video like this, and sometimes it's just a static photo. So let's take a look at what's trending today. See, and just like on Windows Phone, if you ever use a Windows Phone, you'll see the pin button here, which allows you to pin stuff, web pages that you're interested in and you want to take a look at later to your home screen. So when you pin it, it will go there, and you have the ability to rename it. So rename is trending topics. Click to start. Go there right now, you see it right there, and then you can easily go back to what you were doing by tapping here. So let's take a look at the trending topic. Lamar Odom, formerly of the Lakers. So let's make an actual trip to a web page, to a legitimate web page. So let's go to Verge, which is a technology blog site. Let's see how we will load this. There we go. So you see how this page looks. Pretty good layout. Looks pretty similar to the regular version on Chrome and whatever other browsers, even in Explorer 9. The only exception is that Internet Explorer 10 does not support Flash, which is already going the way of the dodo bird, so there's not much to worry about. So let's try one more common to everyone. So New York Times. See, that was fast, but as you can see, no flash, so no flash ads. Alright, that's pretty much enough for the browser, except if you want to see the settings. And the fact that you can add more tabs by just clicking this, new tabs. You can view on the page or view on the desktop version of the Explorer. So, start screen. Let's check out messaging. So I guess in the messaging hub you can create conversations with people in Windows Live and probably on Facebook as well, because the two are linked. So you just find a contact and initiate the conversation and continue it in the threaded format, which is also similar to what Windows Phone has too. So that's pretty simple up here as well. Back to the home screen. Problem there. So we're back, and let's take a look at the Xbox companion app. So this is similar to what you have on the Windows Phone, and it will display your Xbox avatar. You can dress it up. You can see accomplishments of friends. You can invite friends to play. You can message friends, Xbox message friends, and you can also I guess control the playback of video and I guess pictures from your Xbox as well. So I'm not near my Xbox right now, so I guess I'll try that later. So let's see what this one does. I guess this is the one that resembles the one on Windows Phone. Yeah, this is where you get access to your avatar and latest games and latest news about Xbox and Windows Phone and Windows apps. There you go. I did not dress this avatar. This is the work of my brother. I will not look like that. As you can see, the avatar is here. And your friends' avatars. see accomplishments, so achievements. I haven't played a lot, but as you can see my accomplishments here. So let's go back, click on one of my friends. You can view his profile, see what he's been playing recently, see what his scores are like compared to yours, what he's accomplished, even invite him to play. Achievements. I think they'll compare both of us here. There we go. Well, you can see he's played a lot of games. Probably too many. So all of this will come built into Windows PCs. So I guess the functionality is coming where Xbox and Windows players will be able to play versus each other and with each other. So that should be coming with Windows 8, and that's really exciting. Even people on the phone will be able to interact with their computers and Xbox on their phone in some way, like you can on the Xbox. For games like Kinectimals, where you can transfer animals between the phone and the Xbox, in addition to some other games. So let's see, show all, what does that do? Oh, nice. Let's go back. And we're back on the home screen. And here you can get information on various games and new releases and new promotions that Windows is having for Xbox. Alright, let's go back to the home screen. Even though this is a new version of Windows 8, and this is pretty much a reimagination of Windows 8, what Microsoft has done, and something that's kind of getting a lot of feedback right now, is the fact that they've left the desktop from Windows 7 and beyond that intact. They haven't done anything really except removing the start button. They haven't done much to make the desktop experience match that of the Metro interface. So we were still waiting to see what they will do with that. There's rumors that they'll be getting rid of it totally in Windows 9, but that we don't know yet. So you can connect the networks and right there as usual. Pump up the volume and see what else is running here. And also you can get into the good old internet, the good old Explorer. So all your pictures and everything can be placed here. Downloads, desktop, etc. And stuff can still be pinned here, and as well as on the home screen. So I think of this as the place where I do my professional work. So the Windows 8, the Metro UI is more like a kind of light entertainment, gaming, news reading type of interface for me for now, until more powerful apps are available for it. but otherwise I'll be using this to do Microsoft Word, Office, run Office apps, do stuff like Photoshop. So that will be done right here, and I'll be able to pull one of these apps up alongside. So if you want to see what's going on with my Xbox friends while I'm doing my work, which would be a bad idea, I guess. But I can do that. So I can be using an Explorer to work on a document. I guess that app is not really much functional in that capacity. So still getting the hang of this. So the closing app, what you do is this: you pull from the bottom to the top. Just pull the entire thing. So what you do is you pull from the top here, I believe, down. Yes, I almost had it there. So you pull from the top. Let's go again. Come on. So you pull from the top down to the closing app. It's pretty cool. Get back to the home screen. And of course, there are the apps that came with Windows 8 with the consumer preview. Like finance is basically a stock app. It displays the stock prices and stock information for various companies like Microsoft, Apple, Google, whoever you want to find the stock information for. Hopefully this goes quickly. Pretty cool. As usual with most of the Windows apps, if not all, the interface is looking pretty beautiful. So it's a cool effect there. So you can see the Dow, the various indexes, if they're up or down, and you can see the stock prices for your companies that you're following. So that's Microsoft. You can add Apple, Google, whatever you want to add, and you do that by left clicking, or actually right clicking. That's how you get the options. That's how you get the menu in various Metro apps. You right click and it brings that up and closes it down. So watch list. So to add another company to watch, you just type, right click watch list and add a company based on the symbol. And Apple is AAPL. So you just click that and add it. And then I believe you can pin this to your home screen as well. No, you can't pin it actually. It uploads it. Automatically refreshes on your home screen, so you don't have to go into the app to see information. So that's the nice thing about Windows 8 and Windows Phone. So let's go back that way. So the information is being pulled from Bing Finance online. So there we go. And the good old games are there, Solitaire. Let's see what they've done to it. I haven't opened this app yet. Crashed. There we go. Well, it crashed again, so just ignore that for now. it's something to do with resolution. So let's see what happens when we go in full screen mode. So what will happen? Let's see. Salt here. And it plays now. So it's actually a resolution problem. As you know, standard affair Call of Duty game, and I guess you have the ability to sign in with Xbox Live, and I guess your accomplishments will be able to go towards Xbox Live score. So that's cool. Let's see how pinball looks. Good old pinball. Before there were major distractions, it was pinball. And did they make any changes to pinball? Well, the last time I checked, it didn't take that long to get into pinball. So this is Pinball FX, so this is probably an enhanced version from pinball. So I'm going to skip that. Let's see, it's really interesting. How much more exciting could they have made pinball? Let's see. There we go. Wow. This is more of a 3D type of pinball. Let's see if I... on the first shot. How do we do this? I guess it's similar to the first pinball, so... tap. Which one is the second? How in the world do you get to do? Let's see. Anyway, I'll find out later. So, as you can see, that was pinball. And as I was saying earlier, there you can see the stock is on the screen there. The information is updating live and direct, so you don't have to go to the app itself. So let's check out the music hub. Alrighty. guess it's a resolution problem, so I'll go back to full screen again. So there we go. And if you've used the Zoom app on your computer, you'll notice that it's pretty similar to that. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I wonder if this will be replacing Windows Media Player, and if so, I won't mind. But of course, they should add some more features to it, because it's pretty much bare bones right now. It basically pulls the information from online about their various artists that they're promoting right now, and also you have the ability to just start typing, find whatever artist you want to find. So you don't need to go anywhere else, just type. So just go LUTE. It's kind of buggy. Currently have no music in my library. So let's see. Click. So if I click an artist that's featured there, they'll give me a summary of this artist, and of course the albums that they have available right here. So that's pretty gorgeous looking there. And you have the ability to preview the album, or just buy it from right here. It's just pretty sweet looking. So that. Let's try another artist. It's pretty cool. So just pretty much it right now. You have the ability to pull up this thing called a charms bar, which allows you to do different things. You can go to start screen from here, navigate back to a different app. You can go to settings from here, full settings, or you can use the share button to become it will be sensitive to whatever app you're in. So if you're in an app that deals with photos and the developer creates an app with that functionality, you can share whatever you're doing. So I think you can share a screenshot from here. I guess nope. You can search from here. And the nice thing about this search is you can search across every single thing in Windows. You can search across apps, you can search across files, settings, individual apps. So for music, let's see if we can search Lupe Fiasco. And select music. See, that's cool. We'll pull up Lupe Fiasco profile, we can buy his album, whatever. And if you search Lupe Fiasco in maps, let's see what happens. Found Lupe Chile. So let's see. Back here. Search Lupe Fiasco in my mail. More results. Lupe Fiasco in the Explorer. Bing. That was fast. And that's pretty much it. If you search it for, let's see. Cool. So suggestions come up right here. That's pretty nice. And there we go. Now let's take a look at the weather app. Pretty gorgeous. There's sun today, partly cloudy. You can see your hourly forecast. You can see maps of the various regions around you, different radars, different weather patterns, history of the weather around you. Pretty cool. Nice. So all of this will be coming built in to Windows 8. You don't have to. It will be an integrated experience. That's what they keep touting, an integrated experience. And let's go back to the home screen. So I think I've covered pretty much everything. Reader is a new app allows you to read ebooks and RSS feed or whatever, I guess PDFs, yeah, PDFs and readers specialty. Let's take a look at the maps. I think I've showed you this before, just a bit. But here's an even deeper look at it. So let's go zoom in. Let's go to Paris. Let's take a trip to Paris. You can choose different views. Once again, you right click to bring up the menu, select the map style, and get an aerial view. So zoom, 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 zoom. Especially in full screen. What's that do? So I guess we had a crash. Anyway, I think that was pretty much a pretty good look at what Windows 8 is offering. That's pretty much most of the outer stuff. There's of course internal changes, even more small changes that have to make the experience somewhat better. But what Microsoft is trying to do right now is to iron out how to mesh the two systems together. So how they're going to mesh the Metro interface, the new interface, the tiles, and the old desktop together to